I am recording.
Wait lang, intro music. Intro music.
Oh my God! Nakakita na si Joshua?
Hello, welcome to my channel. Hello. Welcome to my channel. Welcome.
I just started the...
Oh, teka lang. Stop the music! Please stop the music. Okay. Sai. Explain the roles.
Okay, bros. Today we playing Goose. So today, here we're gonna explain the roles first.
Quack.
The number one important role for the geese, dodo bird. The objective for the dodo bird is you have to get voted out to win. Okay. The next one we have is the vigilante. You can kill a bird per game. So if you kill a duck, the goose wins. Okay. Next is the Canadian. Your body will get self-reported after 1 second if you are killed or swallowed. Next is the mortician. You can investigate a corpse to see their role. Next one, Avenger. If you witness a murder, you can temporarily kill a random duck or goose. Then lastly, for the geese role, we have Celebrity. All geese are elected when you are killed. Okay. Then for our... hindi, may isa pa pala. The lover, duck, or geese. You are bonded with another player. It can be a geese with a geese. I mean a goose or the goose. Or a goose and a duck. Next here we have Morphling. A duck role. The duck can morph in... can shapeshift into another player. Alright, is everybody ready?
I'm ready.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Yo! That was cool. That's a cool start.
Come on.
What?
Okay.
May patinodo.
Ang bilis.
What?
Where the fuck?
What a Sigma.
Namatay agad.
Saan mo nakita?
Sino nakakita?
Ayusin mo kaya mic mo.
Oh,
Dito sa supply hut. Sa supply hut.
Try, ha?
this is really risky. Because if Crib dies, I die too.
Oh.
Morphling.
Ako, nasa pyramid
One of us
ako.
gets caught.
Kasama ko si
May nasa may dakwan.
Pyro and Bob, I think.
Nag-explore lang ako eh. Bigla
Nakita ko na
nakita
si
ko sa
Mario.
side patay na ako.
What? Sino magboboto? Kanina magboboto?
Ano?
Skip ako.
Oh no. That's kind of...
Ano sila? Ibang ano yun.
Oh, iba. Ibang that animation.
Bury me.
Are you Akila? Huh?
No.
No.
What?
L for favor. Para oy, let's present Tar.
Ship.
Okay,
Bam.
Hello, Joshua.
So,
Hello, Joshua.
sino mga nakita mo so far? Okay. So, one down. Next.
Uy, si Pyro.
Pyro.
Samahan natin. Tama muna tayo, Pyro.
Pyro.
Tama muna tayo.
Pyro.
Ano yung duck?
What a Sigma.
It's supposed to be only one. My bad, because my bad.
Ano, duck?
Gidagidi-gidagidoo. Gidagidi-gidagadayo. I've been married a long time ago.
Stop that! Oh, it's a sandstorm.
Gidag. What?
What?
Hey,
Hi, Danas.
Nakita ko body ni Sidejet before mag-end.
Alexis, ilulunod kita sa dagat.
Sana touch you. Touch you.
Oh no!
Touch you.
No!
Hello, may I touch you?
No, please.
Touch you.
No, please. He did.
Wait, sino yung wala sa akin?
Yan. Self-report
Simon.
yan.
So,
Self-report yan.
self-report. I found him.
Hey, we're not sure though. We're not sure.
Si Pyro lang.
I think self-report. I think self-report. I think
Oh, sige, let's Simon, any last words?
What now? I found him sa may pyramid.
I think Simon. I think Simon. Okay, time to get you picked out, bro.
I touch him, bro. I touch him. I touch him. I touch him.
Kill yourself. Kill yourself. Kill yourself.
Good game.
Die, bro.
I touch him though. I touch him.
Stupid ass.
Good game.
And,
I touch him.
Bro, imagine if we're right, Oh!
Oh.
Self-report.
Na talaga!
I touch you, bro. I touch you. I touch you. I touch you, bro. I touch you.
I liked it. I liked it.
I touch
Game is so
you.
big already.
Skip the
Di
game.
mag-ready, bading. Di mag-ready, bading.
Josh, come here, come here. Come here, come here. Mahina mic mo, pre.
We, mahina.
Oo. Nakasama konti.
Winig mo ako? Winig mo ako?
Oo. Yeah.
Ganito, winig mo ba ako?
Nung nag-start yung round, sabi niya, magsa-self-report ako kaagad.
What? Ba't dalawa? Nakita ko to sa Northport. That's basically it. I didn't see anyone walk
Wala,
past.
kasama ko sa buwan.
Lovers yan, no? Lovers yan.
Siguro, flowers ata yan.
Ayaw,
Namatay si Petri and we go
Flowers
on.
ata. Eh,
Lovers, I
so,
think.
sinong nakita nyo na pababa ng or papuntang pyramid nun?
Si Sai nakita ko noon. Noon lang.
Simon.
Wala tayong evidence? Oh.
Hindi ko na-report.
Wala.
Pwede kahit ako si sila Pyro at
Ako
pinanakita ko na
Kasi pirate as sabog.
Oh.
Samot.
Pag ako.
Skip?
Skip.
Di pa ako.
Okay.
Yun na yung neighbor. Yun na yung neighbor.
I'm sorry, sorry. I know you're watching this again.
I'll be the defenders.
What?
AJ. Ay. Umalis ka dito. Umalis ka dito. Umalis ka dito.
Get up.
No.
Umalis ka dito.
No! No!
Oh, tara dito.
Goodbye.
Tara. Huwag lalapit sa akin, ha. May meeting kami.
Stupid ass.
Kill
Meeting kami,
yourself.
okay? We are...
Umalis ka dito. Umalis ka dito.
Get up. Get out here.
Tara na. May sana.
Okay, goodbye, sir. This is stupid ass bird.
What? What? Ang sabi mo? Ang sabi mo? Ang sabi mo?
Tangina.
What?
Ay,
Asan
hindi.
yung bell?
Sa ano?
Wait.
Ito,
Ito
dito.
ba?
Bell ba yan? Pick up the bell. Ay, bawal. Ang bell. Mamatay tayo.
What?
Na sa embalming house, sa baba ng embalming house yung hallway doon.
What? Asan yung bell? Asan yung bell? Teka lang, asan yung bell?
Yung bell. Ano yung bell?
Yun ba yung gano'n, yung call a meeting?
Oh, call a meeting.
Hindi ata yun.
Ay, wala ba?
I-ring namin eh.
Tapos kami nag-ring, bro.
Tignan niyo yung mga sabotage. This sabotage creates a bell randomly within the map. If it is not picked up in time, a special meeting will be held where a random non-dodo will be ejected if
So,
no one is
kasa-
voted out.
Oh, baalawa ah. Are you need the
Josh,
baalawa
Josh.
ah? Yes
Josh,
sir.
Josh, Josh. Come,
Yes
come.
sir.
What is
Ah.
your role? Ano yung role mo?
Roll. Ganun ako. Celebrity. What? Bayan! Bayan! Papatayin ko na si Sam! Papatayin ko na si Sam!
Celebrity daw! Munti ka na ba ako?
Papatayin ko si Sam!
Celeb-
Papatayin ko na si Sam eh!
Rock Pampon, celebrity is already
Ako,
there.
celebrity. Sakaling ka.
Kasi sumusunod si Josh sa atin kanina pa.
Papatayin ko na sana si Sam eh!
Diba?
Celebrity.
Ayaw ah.
Mag-isa na nga kami
Sabi na yung
dalawa.
Jonas eh. Tama tayo pag nawala si Samuel, si Josh ang hosted.
Curious.
Yun yung plano.
Nakulong ko dahil sa
Yun yung plano namin.
Plano namin eh. Kapag hindi na namin nakita si Samuel, si Josh ang
Oh help!
Wala rin.
Sam, where's Sam? Where's Sam? Sam, where's Sam? Where's Sam? Where's Sam? Nakita mo si Sam? Nakita mo si Sam? Nakita mo si Sam? Nakita mo si Sam?
Hindi ko nadaanan eh. Hindi ko nadaanan.
Weh.
As in, kakabalik ka lang. He's dropping my shit.
Where's Sam? Let's go!
Vigilante!
Let's go!
Vigilante!
Yes! Yes!
What the heck?
Let's go! Oh my god!
Curve though.
Wala na!
Not the curve.
Nadaanan ko lang si Keba! Nadaanan ko lang si Keba! Nadaanan ko lang talaga siya!
Anyari.
Nadaanan ko lang!
Pinatay ng vigilante.
Si Emer dun eh.
Si Kyle.
Ang galing.
Inaanan ko lang si Keba!
W.
Si Sam nga dapat yung tina-target ko eh!
Nag-gamble.
Si Sam lang dami! Si Sam lang yung tina-target ko nun eh! Oh my god!
Ang ina nyo, ba't naman kaya target?
Oo nga, Sam is the nicest guy in the Sam.
Yes! A good one to win the game! Yes!
Oh, Justin. Bilis.
What?
Hoy!
Oh nga.
What?
Nasa agriculture.
Please no?
Dead.
Wait lang, I wanna say something. Ay, sige. Why self-report?
What?
Self-report life.
Si Tropa clear. Tropa is clear.
Wait,
Tropa is clear.
Wait!
Isang
I was on agriculture with Kelly and then the lights came out.
Basta Tropa is clear, okay?
Was
Tropa
dead.
is clear.
Kelly was
Skip
there.
muna, skip.
Bye Kelly. Bye Kelly.
Okay lang sa bago.
Kelly.
I
I
think.
ain't skipping.
Me and Tropa were in the right side of the map the whole time.
Wait, gawin natin
What?
dalawang-
The light's still out!
Someone
I
died?
can't see.
May namatay na ba? Hindi ako mag-stop yan.
Ito pa rin kasi kung paano.
Ako may mamatay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my god!
Okay, lovers died. Bob died in front of me. I heard somebody say, oh, sino yun?
What?
That is me.
You
Ako
saw
yun.
Sam die.
What?
Nakita ko yung body niya.
Ah. Okay. You didn't see anyone kasi kakapatay lang nun. It was a fresh kill like 2 seconds.
Wait, sino yung... Nasaan si
who
Bob?
did you see?
What?
Bob was at
Nasaan
the
si Bob?
cryolab.
Cryolab.
Yeah, at the entrance of the cryolab.
Sino nasa maintenance? Wala.
O, sino daw maintenance?
Wala.
Kami.
Mag-isa lang ako sa right side.
Sa
Kung mapa na yun, right side.
Okay lang si Kelly. Oh, shit.
Agriculture.
What?
Okay lang si Kelly. Hindi si Kelly yan.
Okay.
Sino
Si
sino?
Kelly.
Sino yung evidence natin? I'm
Ay,
confused.
wala.
Wala pa. Pero I know it's not Kelly.
Alright.
Sige.
Sai?
Oshi.
Ba't di ko ma-press yung button?
Transit.
Ah,
Transit.
waiting, activate. Yippee! Pwede, paano ka namatay dito?
Alright. Kasi nga, if natamaan ka ng shuttle,
Ah,
you got rammed by a shuttle, of course you're gonna get.
okay.
Get inside. I have a task under the shuttle.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ko.
Oh, we won?
What? What? What?
Si Joshua?
Joshua?
Bro!
Bro!
Sayers
Bro.
lucky. Sayers
Bro.
lucky.
Bro, I hate Joshua.
Bro.
Joshua. Pang isang player.
How? How?
Maglilin pa tayo isang player eh.
How?
Umalis ako.
How?
Wait,
Mag-
Ah! My Pookie. My Pookie Bear. Come here, Pookie Bear. My Pookie Bear. We will not die, okay?
didn't I kill you last time?
Ay, ikaw ba yun? Oh, magpapakamatay na ako. Bahala ka dyan. Sam, patayin mo ako, Sam. Sam, patayin mo ako.
Ay, ikaw ba yung ano?
Ayun,
Ayaw,
ako.
mamaya. Wala, ay nga. I-vote natin si Josh mamaya.
Yan, Jesse. What?
Sino yung nag-vote kayo yan?
Yo!
Yo, we burning.
Yo.
No.
I don't like it.
No.
I don't like it.
Too late. Too late.
Toto Bird yan!
Too late.
Toto Bird yan!
Yes.
Toto Bird!
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes! Let's go! Let's go!
Ah,
Ano, Dodo ka sa Joshua?
Ain't gonna lie.
Winning.
Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie.
Why did you lie? We would
Gusto,
have won.
gusto ko lang patayin si Justin.
We would have won instantly, bro.
Ah, my bad ko.
Josh.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Josh.
Oh,
Uy,
oh,
Josh,
my
we love
Pookie.
her.
My Pookie Bear.
My Pookie Bear. If I kill one of you right now, you're
Kill yourself. Kill yourself.
Die.
yourself.
It's my Pookie Bear.
Kaya tayo rin mananalo dito.
Ah, oo nga no. Sige.
Diba?
Oh,
Tagulag tayo.
dalawa lang naman tayo eh.
Tayo.
Yan.
Taran tayo. Ayan. Deal. This game is so peak, guys.
Yippee.
Ganito lang tayo, YouTube. Ubusan lang kayo ng
Peak
budget.
gameplay.
Patayan lang kayo, guys. This is so peak gameplay, W strategy. Peak gameplay for real.
Oh, sino to? Oh, sino ka? Welcome dito.
Sino ka? Who are you? What's
Ganito,
your
ha?
intention?
Ching chong. Ching chong.
Your intention, huh?
Chong.
Kill one of us and we're gonna report. Okay.
Oh. What?
Kasi akala niya hindi tayo lovers.
Oh, peak gameplay.
May namatay?
Okay.
May namatay?
No, okay. I saw Kelly turn into Bob.
Really?
What?
Yeah,
Wait.
What?
ano ko siya?
Wait.
I
Or
know
it's
it's
the
Kelly
other way
kasi...
around.
I know it's Kelly kasi
Wait.
Kelly speaking.
Anong
Ah.
His body, but Kelly's voice.
Ah. Get him out of here.
Oh, vote na.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
GG.
Kung kailan naging killer ako.
Why did bro talk?
Ito na.
Why did bro talk?
Show him out.
Oh.
Go, cook him.
Tanan.
Yippee.
Yippee.
What does Dodo Bird si Justin?
GG.